What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Indian Motorcycle Guy. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Ends Cuoio Cheyenne Bag. I'm really excited about this one because, as previously mentioned, we're going to be doing a giveaway of one of these on this channel. Want to go over some of just the amazing craftsmanship that's on this bag, the incredible customer service that I've got along with it, which was a very pleasant surprise. A lot of the details on this bag are really spectacular, so we're gonna go over it in detail. And then at the exact same time, some of the differences on the one-of-one aspect of this. Now, I should correct that. I'm not saying that no more of these could be made, but as it stands, I did confirm with them that these are the only ones that currently exist. The first observation, the craftsmanship on the bag is spectacular. As you can see here, it's very thick. It's got that really great leather smell. On this particular bag, similar to the Rev style, we've got these magnetic clips up here, which are super easy to undo and then super easy to relatch, all magnetic. So once these are undone, they get pulled through and the bag opens up. These are actually part of the other bag. So in here you can see you've got your nice soft leather enclosure for waterproofing. There's a huge ton of capacity that's in this bag. So diving into what comes with it, we've got our mounting bracket and hardware, which we will mount this guy up and show you guys what it looks like. Some other mounting hardware by the looks of it. We have a keychain and the key to our lock. One important note about these, we'll dive into the back plate in a second, but the lock as well. Those are not things that can be added after. So if you want it either hard bolted or the removable bag, as well as the lock, you have to know that at the time of manufacturing. So that's all that's in there. Got a really, really nice capacity. It's got a hard shell on the bottom, and you can really feel that metal back plate. Although it's got a nice sort of like suede-y interior. It feels spectacular. So now taking a look at the back, as most people who are taking a look at Ends Cuoio products know, this is a form-fitted steel plate that the leather is contoured to that matches the bike. You'll see how well it goes momentarily. Here you can see the thickness of the leather. It's very thick leather. On the closing flap here, taking a look, like that's my finger. Now that doesn't go all through. That's because it has this nice thick edge on it. But even in the center, the feel is very, very thick. And then this is nice, soft, smooth leather. So the reason that I really wanted to go with this particular bag for me personally is a few reasons. One, I feel like every motorcycle out there has two bags. So I like the thought of having the one large sort of like male style bag just on the one side. I think that's something I'm really going to enjoy. Also too, as many of you chief owners know, this bike likes to lean to the right due to the exhaust. So I'm hoping this bag is quite heavy. It's very heavy given the weight of the leather as well as the steel plating on the back. So hopefully that with a little bit of cargo in it will even that out a little bit. Beautiful construction. You can see the lock here. One thing I was kind of curious about was the quality of the lock, but the quality of this is exceptional. All the way through and through. Like the stitching quality on the bag, the quality of the leather, the quality of the hardware. It's exceptional. And then to close it up, these simply slide through there, and then there's the latch at the top. And remembering to, we'll go over this all once this is mounted, but even off the bike, it's very simple. There we go. All of this is handmade in Italy with vegetable tanned bull leather. Now, something that I want to be very clear on, and that I feel Ends is quite clear on, that is not vegetable leather. It's a vegetable tanning process. So it's a natural tanning process of actual real leather. So this is a genuine leather bag. The cost of these bags is quite high. as most people, again, looking into ends are looking at, you are absolutely paying for quality on this. You're paying for some customization options and just an absolutely spectacular end product. We're gonna get her mounted up and I'll show you guys what it looks like on the bike and how to mount it. Let's get into it. All right, everybody, so this is actually really quite simple. This plate is just gonna bolt onto there, provides the mounting points. All right, so to mount the plate, you're gonna need a T45. We will torque this down directly into the spool. Perfect. Ready to mount our bag, let's get it. We might still be giving this bag away, so I'm still saving all the hardware. I just want to show you guys what it looks like on the bike. You can see that there are mounting holes that will line up directly with these studs. Perfect. Now you don't actually have to worry about any bottom or support because of the steel backplate. It gives a very nice clean fit and look. So now we're just simply adding our fender washers. There you have it, folks. All right, everybody, now that this is fully installed, you can see how it looks. Nice and tight. The fit on that is absolutely beautiful. And something is here, you can actually see how it looks like it gets wider in the back. It actually does. Sits beautiful. Okay, so now that it's on the bike, to open it, it's that easy. Have full access to all your gear, put a raincoat in there and my first aid kit, etc. Never know when you're gonna need. And then you just gotta pull that down, latch the lock in place. Again, I'm doing all this one-handed, but super easy to use. I love the look. That, me personally, just that, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you think, but that single bag, just sort of the mail bag. Absolutely love it. So we are gonna be doing a giveaway just as a reminder of either this set or we have the black stitching. Put this on my bike just to show you guys what it looks like, kind of do the review, show the installation. So far, it seems everyone's more interested in the black stitching, so who knows, maybe this will stay on here, but I just want to say thank you guys so much. I really love making these videos for you guys. I love my bike, obviously. I'm sure you love yours too. So this channel's grown so quickly and we had the opportunity to share this great experience and do some giveaways for our awesome audience. So I cannot believe how fast we hit 7,500 subscribers. I think we're at 7,600 now. Thank you guys so much. And in order to win this, giveaway details are gonna be coming soon. So you definitely need to be subscribed. Stay tuned for that. Make sure you go check out some of our other videos. If you do own an Indian Chief, we've got oil change videos, belt alignment videos, brake and clutch levers, grips, all that fun stuff. So if you like what you see here, make sure you give us a like and subscribe. It helps more than you know. It's the Indian Motorcycle Guy signing off. Peace.